Yo, dog.
Oh my god, that's dope.
Crystal's
Girl, it's alright, I'ma hold you. Just got a bag, I'ma blow through. I need some space, need O2. And I get the shit that you go through. It's probably my fault if I ghost you. I push away people I'm close with. Won't stand on and stand out on no shit. Yeah, we took a pic and I posted. I remember the blog I was posting.
Do you like Kane Brown and Luke Combs?
Kane Brown's kind of gay. Luke Combs also.
He's hot as
gay.
fuck for a light skin.
No, I like
Whoa.
Morgan Walmart.
Whoa.
Damn.
You're a commercial.
For what?
Beauty. I don't know. What the fuck
That
else?
was so cheesy.
Can't fucking see shit.
What are you doing? I feel molested. What are you trying to do?
How you feeling, Andrew?
That's how
I got my head out the sun. Oh, he's not.
Hold on, bro. I'll make it back in the whip. Yo, dog, I made it, dude.
Can we just like shake on the fact that we're not doing this again? Not doing this again.
Yeah, we're definitely not.
You're
Wait,
cut off.
hold up. Dab me up again. Yes. No, definitely not doing this again.
Bad idea.
Bro, why are you laying on me?
I'm trying to reach over here, dog.
In between my legs, bro. That's kind of sus.
It's not sus, nigga.
It's kind of sus.
Bro, if I wanted your dick, I would tell you I wanted your fucking dick. I'm not gay. I don't want that shit. Like, goddamn, it's not fucking gay. If I was like, nigga, I want your dick, that's fucking gay. I'm not fucking gay, man.
No. Hey.
I just love the homies, though.
A little too much.
You stole my keys.
I don't want this.
What did you say?
I don't want this.
Want what?
Camry better than.
Better than what?
I'm not gonna lie.
I already gapped your shit.
At least you.
Yeah. Stay quiet.
What?
Yeah.
No, you didn't. I fucking.
What?
Kept up with your shit on eco mode.
Damn.
You can put it in sport mode and you're still not gonna fucking beat
I don't have
me.
a sport mode.
Turn eco off. It's not gonna make a difference. The eco mode's just to save gas. It doesn't mess with the power. The power
It
doesn't go
actually
away.
does. Yeah, it does. It takes longer.
You fucking think that?
Dude, yeah.
Until you put it, turn eco mode off.
Yeah.
Okay?
Eco mood? Yes.
Yeah. Tomorrow is the day you get your shit gapped. That ass.
I'm involved with this. I'm taking all your pink slips. The fuck?
This nigga thinks he's taking pink slips until I cam my shit. Once I cam my shit, this nigga ain't keeping up with none. That's okay. It's a plus for me because I know I'm gonna win.
Oh, do you now?
Yeah, your car tops out way before mine.
What
does.
happens when this guy is involved?
With
What
what
happens
car?
when this guy?
When this guy's involved, I have to get like $2,000 to fucking cam my car and put a new motor in it. And then this motherfucker ain't gonna touch me.
Everybody is.
Whoa! 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 You
Fuck you, vlog. You try and get us caught lacking. We don't ever get caught lacking.
I'm so down
Hey,
for
I'm
it.
fucked
The
up.
domes? Wait, I need to stop for gas then.
We're going to the domes right now?
Domes isn't even scary.
It's not even scary.
That's a bullshit lie because I went in there at night and people started talking to me.
Okay,
What?
well, you
This
need
man was
meds for,
tripping.
like,
This man was
schizophrenic
tripping.
or some shit, because that's
Zeph.
not normal.
Zeph, I wouldn't be lying to you about that, bro. I don't want to go
You
to the
wouldn't.
domes.
You wouldn't.
We're going to the domes. Hey, we're making it on the calendar. We're going to the domes.
Right now.
Nigga, I'm not down for the domes, bro.
Just made it to the domes. Don't worry, y'all. We're not here to kill you. Yo, it's like really silent right here. Like really silent right here. But like when you go in here, like it gets echoey. Very echoey.
I guess
Oh my god, that's dope. We need you. Bro, I took a picture here, dog. It looks like shit now. A flying dick? Oh, yo.
there's a couple of them.
It's got wings.
Yeah.
Dicks with wings. Where the fuck you motherfucking bats at? Yo. I'm kind of scared. What the fuck going on in here? I'm in this bitch by myself. I'm in this bitch by myself. You know what I'm saying? Kind of spooky. I can't see shit, my boy.
You're not.
Did they get a hold of you? Let's play hide and seek. Have they talked to you? They haven't reached out to you yet? I'm so down.
Y'all be waiting, bro. Cause you guys think I'm fucking crazy, but them these motherfuckers be talking, bro.
All right, rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors, or shoot.
Soft.
It says if you're selling anything, you're guaranteed instructions.
They got Hulu in this bitch right here. They got Hulu. Hulu is a man. We definitely need to go get some grub.
Yeah.
Like for sure need to go get the grub. Yep, in the Walgreens. You already know what I'm saying. We here to get some stuff. Some stuff. We got some snackies right here, you know what I'm saying? We better get some stuff. I think we definitely need to get some spaghetti sauce. That might happen pretty soon, and it's flavored with meat. Smuckers jam and jelly. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my god. I've only gone through like 2 aisles right now, and like I'm contemplating life. 5-hour energy. Yes. Is that Ashley?
Oh, really?
I'm not joking. I'm not from Alabama.
How is it out here though?
Drinky.
Oh, really?
Kind of beery.
Ooh,
With a
love
little
that.
kombucha on the side.
yeah, we love that.
With a lot of food trucks.
That's
and some
what we're
Broadway.
doing.
Hell yeah.
I was just up at the one in Flagstaff last weekend.
Oh, really? How
Got
was it?
dressed up in my.
Yeah.
And it's somebody's birthday. Whose birthday is it?
Oh, my mother's.
Oh,
Thank you,
Thank you
boss.
so much.
Yo, the locals are wild.
Did you record all that?
I didn't get the beginning. I wish I would have got the beginning.
We were from Alabama, we're cousins. I was like, no, we're not. No, we're not. It was like, this is not my cousin. Here, let me see.
Yeah, no, literally said that we were cousins, but like I'm down for it. Like we kind of look.
No, we do not.
We don't. Oh, he's from Idaho. Where are the hoes at? Idaho. Oh, he's the hoe. Made it back to the Airbnb. Better grub on all this food right here. Got an open burrito. You know what I'm saying? Carne asada fries. We won't speak on that terms, but. Yo, so we already out the shower, out the crib. Look at the fit, y'all. Come on, hold up. We got a whole ass mirror. Yo, she a meet though, but peep. Ooh, shoo. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so we just vibing over here. This motherfucker taking forever, I swear. God, this motherfucker taking forever. Anyways, we are ready to hop out this crib. So let's get on the road and do something today. Let's see what we can plan out.
okay, because it works minutes. I live like 3 minutes.
Yeah. Except for now, you can't do just like change my name.
First thoughts. Huh? We got some coffee here. Everything's herb-based, vegan. It's aight. I mean, I wouldn't. It's aight. I mean, I'm not like a green freak. I mean, it's definitely a different thing to try for me, but most definitely a dope spot.
I like it. It's really good.
I'll have a couple tables behind.
I'm gonna eat it.
It does taste tasty.
No, like that. So
It smells so good. It
Should be all
smells
set
tasty.
up, but you might need it.
that's all I can get to. Unless I stand on this rock.
Short people problems.
Give me this. Ready? Go.
Yeah, we out here. I'm a part of the cowboy set. John Wayne, where you at?
Yeah.
Hey, now we get the grip walking with him.
Wait, let me show them. Do it again.
She's trying to get her angles right here with the view. But like, yo. I'm just saying this right now. Yeah, Sedona's a vibe. It's definitely a down-to-earth spot. Very pretty out here. What's your thoughts?
I love it. I love it.
I love it.
I love it.
Alright, we better whip up real quick. Let me just Gotta wait for that to be done. But best believe once we hear that ringtone go off, we know what's going on. We caught some cuisine out here. You know what I'm
This one's
saying?
yours.
We're gonna put this
I
all on
wanted
a
to see
plate.
what this was. Taste that. Different.
Well, it's not bad,
No, it's just dry. Oh,
but it's old.
has a little hint to it.
Yeah, so I'm munching on this. Let's taste test real quick. Probably the best thing out of there is a vegan macaroni and cheese. This slop right here reminds me of Shrek. I'm not really messing with it.
No.
Potato salad. It's none of it has flavor. I'm gonna be honest. Like for vegan stuff, I need a little bit of spice. I'm a Mexican motherfucker. You know what I'm saying?
I'll buy it.
Oh yeah, we got hot pockets. This is living the dream out here. And the dynamites, you know what I'm saying? Yo, green arches, you're
Do a kiss under the McDonald's sign.
the only one with green arches.
Mm-hmm.
Very hot. But very good.
That shit slaps. Damn. That shit is slapping. Slapping hard.
The only green McDonald's in Sedona, in the world, has green arches. Their employees, they know what they're doing.
I don't know what they did to it, but they put like magic or something in this.
No, 100%. If y'all in Sedona, come and check out the only green arches in the world. It's kind of dope.
The next day.
Crystal store. Get some rose coins.
We getting crystals. Crystal meth. Imagine feeling good, feeling buzzed out here on the streets of Sedona, where the mountains are high, the mountaintops are low. We walking down a steep slope. It's yeah, you know what I'm saying?
Like, here, let me show you. Give me this. So, this is where we're at right now. We're doing some shopping, just walking around. We're gonna go get some food.
Ooh, food, I'm hungry. Yeah, I'm down. I might eat that dog right there. That vibe is
I don't know if
immaculate.
I'm just, it's because I'm
Vibe is immaculate. I just gotta say that. Views are definitely immaculate over here. Not gonna lie. Just vibe. Munching down on some Chipotle. And enjoying the view, you know what I'm saying? What was that? It's so good. It's my guy Randy right here, smoking a cigar. Yeah, gun in the holster.
Show me your gun and all snap.
What is going on?
You weren't
No,
recording
no
any
way.
of that.
Yo, we said we wanted some Rocky Road ice cream. We drive it. Guess what we come up across on the side of the road? Rocky Road Ice Cream Co.
Oh shit.
No way. No way. They best have the best Rocky Road on the planet. If not, I'm gonna be mad. Rocky Road.
Rocky. Oh, what did he say? Colby Jack.
Colby Jack.
Colby Jack.
What, like the cheese? What, like the cheese? Yo, it sounds gas. Gas.
Oh.
Can you believe it's about
Acquired. Taste test in Rocky Road. Ice cream.
fucking time.
I was thinking the same thing, yo. This is honestly got to be the best Rocky Road ice cream I've had.
Indeed.